Here's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. The Car Connection comments, while offering the acceleration and responsiveness of a smaller luxury vehicle, the Escalade offers one of the most comfortable, lavishly appointed interiors available in any SUV. To achieve greatness, one must dare to be great. Shape your world in a Cadillac. Take it for a test drive today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.